Another video. Today we have 20% off no exclusions at Harbor Freight. Yes, you guys can get in power tools, you guys can get whatever you guys want. 20% off. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Guys, I think it's time I joined the Inside Track Club membership. I seen these coupons get even better and better. Well, not better, but it's gonna be the new way to go. They're gonna have the 10% off for the regular the customer that doesn't have a Inside Track Club. They have the 20% off. Basically, it pays for itself on the first buy. If you buy drills, power tools, drill kits, whatever. No exclusions. I believe this is in a single item. Maybe I don't know if it's on the whole purchase. Might be. But definitely check it out. I'm going to click on it, see what it says. Alright, here's the page. I'm going to start with the 10%. You got everything on sale, no exclusions every time. Everyone saves 20% off, no exclusions, 4 days only. Friday, February 26th through Monday, March 1st. It says limit one per customer per day. Save $10 or 10% on any single item purchase. Cannot be combined with any other discounts. Promotions, coupons, discounts. Okay. So basically it's telling you 10% off on one single item. And here's the coupon code. Feel free to use these coupons. This is the time for you guys to get those power tools that never go on sale. Those icon ratchets. Those icon torque wrenches, the wrenches, the ratcheting wrenches, all those expensive items that are $100, you can get $10 off with this one, and $20 off with this one. So definitely check it out. This is just a quick video. I know I haven't made any more coupon videos for Harbor Freight. There's hardly any coupons out there anymore. This is pretty much what we get, so we are making these videos. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.